Okay, this is a quick tutorial on dealing with bare hoses on fittings that aren't maybe really fittings in terms of the model. And this is all doable, but there's a couple little things that you may need to know. So I've already set most of this up. We're going to go into this assembly. We're going to select some type of bare hose here. We'll get a fuel hose. That's what goes on these fittings. Create a pipe run. I'm going to skip some steps here that are important, but you should know how to make hoses. So we'll go through this. Okay, so we're going to put this fitting on here. These go on a lot like a hose with a fitting. So let's see if I messed that up. Okay, now you say, oh no, the hose is on there backwards. Well, this is a glitch, I think, but I'm going to show you how to fix that, and I'm going to show you how to move them. So we're okay with all that. So we're going to fix this one first. We're going to go here while we're in the hose assembly. Okay, we're going to do a right click on the first fitting, delete all connections. I'm going to go up here to connect fittings. We're going to select the hose. You'll notice which way the arrow is turning. Okay, now I'm selecting the fitting, but you notice the arrow is going opposite. Okay, we want that hose to turn around, so we really need that arrow to go the other direction. So I'm going to hit the space bar, and then I'm going to hit enter. And it probably selected something different for me, so let's cancel that and do that again. So we're going to pick this, and we're going to hit the space bar, and that flipped it around. We're going to hit apply, and there you go. Now the hose is correct. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing here. First we've got to delete connection. I'm going to hit connect fitting, grab that, grab the fitting, hit space bar so it'll reverse it. I think you can right click on that too. Okay, and then hit apply. And there we go. Now you'll notice the hose is on the fittings. So we'll finish that so you can take a look at it. And you can put a hose clamp or something. I highly suggest, if you put the hose clamp, to constrain it to the fitting, not to the hose. Okay, just a little note there. We'll go back in here. We'll move this hose. We're going to move this from here to this fitting. So again, we're going to open the hose assembly, do a right click, go to delete all connections. We're going to hit connect fittings. I'm going to grab the hose. You notice the way the arrow is pointing, and we're going to do that. We're going to hit the space bar because we want them pointing toward each other. Hit apply, and there you go. And that is a really easy way now to fix bare hoses and treating them much like a regular hydraulic hose with a fitting. So there you go. Hopefully that's helpful. Thanks.